as we embrace the principles of Agile methodologies in our project at IPF Softwares, it is crucial to recognize the essence of that process, and that is, it begins with requirements gathering, where we take time to understand and document the client's needs, expectations, and objectives for the project, followed by defining the scope of work, and later on breaking that work into manageable chunks that we proceed to undertake in multiple sprints. So this year, as we commit ourselves to becoming 10 times better, as a project manager, I aim to focus more on thoroughly analyzing the client's domains, which involves going beyond the surface, beyond the obvious, and taking that time to truly comprehend the details that make each client's domain distinct. Over time, we have discovered that gaining that deeper level of understanding empowers us in building a tailored solution to precision, and that is, you build a software that resonates with the client's needs. So in the months to come, be ready to observe a coordinated effort from our team in investing time and resources in understanding the context in which your operations thrive. Mind you, at IPF Softwares, we don't just meet your expectations, we exceed them.